Audi A6 2006 timing chain job. I show you how to change timing chains engine in the car. You can see I have already removed gearbox and timing case covers, and you can see that there is enough space for this job, so there's no need to remove complete engine. You must remove rear subframe bolts and lower it. Front bolts are still in place, and engine is supported also here, so there's no need to support engine from the top. Gearbox is here, quattro gearbox, and other parts are here. Upper timing case covers, dry plate, bottom timing case cover, gearbox brackets, underbody supports, exhaust system, and turbocharger here, starter, and rear coolant pipe, drive shafts, front drive shafts, and that's all what you must remove for this job.